Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Creating a research paper involves several key steps, from selecting a topic to publishing your findings. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Let's start. Step 1. Select a topic. Choose a research topic that interests you and aligns with your expertise or academic goals. Ensure the topic is relevant, significant, and has not been extensively researched unless you are proposing a new angle or approach. Step 2. Review existing literature. Conduct a thorough literature review to familiarize yourself with the current state of research in your chosen topic area. Identify gaps, controversies, or areas needing further exploration that your research could address. Step 3. Formulate a research question or hypothesis. Based on your literature review, formulate a clear and focused research question or hypothesis that your study aims to answer or test. Ensure your research question is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Step 4. Design your study. Decide on the research design and methodology that best suits your research question and objectives, for example, experimental, observational, qualitative, quantitative. Determine the sampling method, data collection techniques, and data analysis procedures. Step 5. Ethical considerations. Address any ethical considerations related to your research, such as obtaining informed consent from participants, protecting their privacy and confidentiality, and ensuring the study does not cause harm. Step 6. Data collection. Collect data according to your chosen methodology. Ensure data collection procedures are standardized and reliable to produce valid results. Step 7. Data analysis. Analyze your data using appropriate statistical or qualitative analysis techniques. Interpret the findings in the context of your research question and existing literature. Step 8. Results. Present your findings clearly and concisely, using tables, graphs, or figures to enhance understanding. Discuss the significance of your results and any implications for theory, practice, or future research. Step 9. Discussion. Interpret your results in light of your research question and hypothesis. Discuss the strengths and limitations of your study and address any unexpected findings. Step 10. Conclusion. Summarize the key findings and implications of your research. Restate your research question or hypothesis and discuss how your study contributes to the field. Suggest directions for future research based on your findings and limitations. Step 11. References. Cite all sources used in your research paper accurately and consistently, following the appropriate citation style, for example, APA, MLA, Chicago. Include a reference list or bibliography at the end of your paper. Step 12. Revision and proofreading. Review your research paper for clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Edit for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting errors. Consider seeking feedback from peers, mentors, or advisors before finalizing your paper. Step 13. Submission and publication. Submit your research paper to a relevant academic journal or conference, following their submission guidelines. Address any reviewer comments or revisions requested by the editor. Celebrate your achievement upon acceptance and publication of your research paper. By following these steps, you can effectively plan, conduct, and present your research in a structured and comprehensive manner. Remember to stay organized, diligent, and open to feedback throughout the research process. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.